In today's video, I'm doing another pour with the pre-mixed pour paints that I received. I wanted to do a split cup pour, so as you can see, I have a larger cup. It has 5 slots for paint, and I'm using a variety of colors in a rainbow color palette, along with white paint for my base coat that I'll be doing a pour. My original thought was sticking the darker colors on the sides and the lighter colors in the middle. And I have the darker colors are the blues and the green, and then the lighter colors in the middle are going to be the pink, orange, and yellow. After I poured this, I realized the green really took over, and I don't know why, because I didn't use that much of it. But next time I think I'm going to leave that out. I wish that the blue had been more prominent in the piece overall. And so this is just a test to see how this cup worked. I think it worked really well. I did get a really awesome design, but I will just need to continue to work on how I layer the colors in that cup for the pour. I didn't have enough of the pre-mixed white paint for the base coat, so I just mixed my own titanium white with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water to get a nice base coat. And as you can see with this cup, I'm just gently layering each of my colors, starting from the outside and working my way in. I have 3 different shades of blue, and then I added the green, and then I used the lighter colors of red, pink, orange, yellow, and then a little bit of white. I think, like I said, next time I would not add the green, and I would also probably do a little less white and try and get more of that blue to stand out. Also, this container holds a lot of paint. I think it was either 8 or 12 ounces total, so it holds a lot, and I filled it up. I either need to use less paint or use a larger canvas next time, so that I can really tilt out that design without needing to tilt it off my canvas. I do like the overall design once I started tilting, but like I said before, I really wish I would have kept more of that blue on there. That green really took over in a way that I did not want it to, but the overall design is really pretty. I do like the way that these split cup pours turn out, and just the variety and bands of color that you get from doing one of these. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I put out 3 videos a week. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.